Hello, 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 everyone. Good morning, good afternoons, good evenings. Okay, so this is for across the world. I don't know where you are exactly in US and UK. So currently here it is afternoon. It's 12:54, and I'm trying to express myself with some Power BI. A project, a complete project. We can do it together along here. So what this is my very first YouTube appearance with my face and my screen is shared. Okay, so wherever when before this I shared my screen, let me share my screen. You remember in team calls or like in our office calls only. So yeah, this is my laptop given by company only, but definitely I will take care of that. I will not share anything uh, sensitive to company sensitive information. I will not share here. So I've taken care of everything, and I'm sharing my screen. So let me share few quick points about me. That I'm a data analyst. I'm working in Ingram Micro. And yeah, definitely you can see my screen name on screen. That my name is Tirthesh Digga. I basically spend my whole week in Power BI and DAX functions. So what I thought of is, okay, I can utilize my Saturday also, exploring some raw data, and coming up with some uh, informative dashboard, so that it will help uh, to sharpen my skills. Because definitely, if you are aware of that, in MNCs we definitely like we focus on few specific projects. So the challenges we face becomes at the same level at some point of after some point of time. So I thought of, let's go with this from a scratch, and let's try to explore what we can come up with. So okay, so I will not waste much of your time, and I will try to uh, start with the raw data. Okay, so let me tell you that this will going to be like in multiple parts. I will not post this video like in one go, because it will definitely take time to follow the complete life cycle of dashboard. But definitely I will try to explain each and every stuff which required to get to build a complete Power BI dashboard. This definitely will help to the intermediate peoples who are already working in MNCs or already working in companies on the Power BI dashboard, who are already freelancing from past few days. Because definitely we might never had faced some challenges which we can face in this video, and let's see what we face. And definitely I will try to keep it as basic as possible, so that whoever is beginner, that person, that guy also help himself to understand how he can go ahead with the flow of a complete dashboard building process. Okay, so without wasting much time, what I will do is I will open my raw data, which I found somewhere, like in the LinkedIn post somebody might have shared. Uh, it was there in my PC since very long. I might have downloaded. So okay, I found this data useful. I mean, to to build a dashboard, because we have a lot of stuffs, lot of informations in this data. So what I will do is, I will basically I will start exploring this data from scratch itself, here itself. Whatever I will think, whatever I will do, I will try to keep talking. Okay, so let's try to uh, try to, the first step which I follow when I get some data, basically, is what I do is I try to understand from where this requirement came, and what this dashboard will add up the value, in users. So as of now there is no user, but okay, I definitely asked my whoever given me the requirement. I'd ask the question, who are the users, director levels, so we can give much number, like less numbers, like more specific visuals, the KPI one, because director will mm, r- director and VPs will prefer those kind of dashboards only, so that if we know who are the users, okay, so we can get the idea what kind of dashboard we want to build. Okay. And sometime associates like us, like a level 1 level 2 associates may need grid kind of visuals, where they may want to see the much detailed kind of stuff. So how and what the dashboard structure will be, it helps me to mm, to decide, or to design the dashboard. Okay. So let's try to get the essence of this raw data, what exactly this raw data is. Okay, basically what I can see is it is a department store data. Okay. Let's let's do. Okay, I believe that nobody might have gone these kind of way, like I'm trying to structure this process. Okay, so let's call this step as taking essence of data. Okay, essence of data. Okay, let's see what exactly it is. We have address, city, contact name, country, region. Okay, so we can show something region wise. Okay. Okay, postal code. So these are basically the details of customers. Okay, let's see what we have in employees. Employee, we have gender. Okay, we can show annual salaries gender wise. If you have some tab of for particular to employee, we can show some target, whatever they have achieved, and yeah, definitely we have sales target. We may have somewhere the sales. Okay, so we can compare that, how much percentage they have achieved and all. Okay, annual salary is there. We can show it off, like average salary by gender, something like that. Higher date, we can derive something, calculated columns with oh, okay, definitely I will tell you the difference between calculated columns, measures, and everything in deep. Okay, moving forward in the video. Okay, so let's try to see. Okay, employee, we have a basic information. Then offices. Okay, we have some office ID, and we have sales office's name. Okay, that's fine. Let's go ahead. Order header. Okay, order header. I guess this is something very much useful for us. Delivery date is there, order date is there, shipping cost is there. Okay, okay, employee ID. Okay, we can relate this employee ID with here. Okay, so order date, customer ID. If you have noticed, this is the customer ID. We can connect these two tables. Then if you see, order ID is there. I believe that this should be there in this order details, but we will follow it in like one by one. Okay, here we are going to get the shipping related information. Let's go ahead. This is definitely it is a departmental store. So okay, clothing, shoes, clothings, and then we have descriptions. We can categories. Yeah, men's, women's. Definitely it is a departmental stores. I'm imagining this as like we can give a images by categories, like men's clothes, women's clothes, and then our dashboard will work. Let's explore one by one what exactly. So products. Okay, category ID is there. I believe this is the category ID. Then product ID may be here in order details. Let's see. Suppliers. Okay, supplier to come. Let's go ahead in order details. order ID is there, product ID is there, quantity, sales. Okay, here we have whatever the useful metrics we are looking for, like sales, costs, GP, gross profit, discount. Okay, we are going to play with it. Okay, then quantity. Okay, how much quantity, who sold, you know, product ID, order ID. Okay, let's try to relate it. Okay, order ID is there. We have order header. We have product ID. Okay, we have product ID, category ID. We have order details. Order header. Which employee sold? Which order? Like which employee? I mean, salesperson is responsible for which order? And yeah, yeah, it's interesting. Then let's go ahead with the supplier. We have here supplier ID. This product, which product came from which supplier? Definitely department store. If you think of a department store, like, let's imagine any department store, starting from maybe D, starting from maybe B. I don't know if I'm allowed to call the name of the, any department store, but there is a department store in India starting from D. Okay, so let's just imagine that store. They bring products in the bulk. Okay, so here we have the product detail, from which supplier this product came. Let's see this Lenin jeans shorts. Okay, it came from this supplier, Sunny Clothes. So these kind of like, so which supplier given us a what a level of business, like what number of business we can calculate, and we can show, let's say, a chart by, bar chart. You can imagine, if you already aware of Power BI, we can imagine a bar chart uh, by supplier. Okay, I really know that whoever is like starting as of now are definitely getting confused what I'm talking about, which kind of chart, what kind of buttons and all. But definitely trust me, you're going to understand whatever I'm speaking right now. You're going to understand in further videos of this project. Okay, let's let's collab together and complete this project with, like, definitely you, everybody will definitely get to learn something new in each and every step of the project. Okay, let's go ahead. We saw suppliers, country and all. Okay, let's go ahead with territories. Okay, this is something new to explore. I never worked with territory, but definitely we will definitely search on Google what is territory. And yeah, we will mm, we will give a good space for territory also, on the dashboard. Let's see. Let's not waste much time. Let's go to our Power BI. I created this shit for just to welcome you guys. Let me delete that. I'm good with this. So I'll delete this, and let's start from scratch, and let's get the data. This is the excel only, so I will quickly open the department store data with the excel I have opened. Okay, uh, let's see category, whatever table we saw, right? Category, this is the category, customer, employees, office, order details, this and this. Let's load it. Let's see what comes out. I will try to keep this as short as possible. Like, I will break this video and post is like shorted videos in multiple parts. I believe that will be much more comfortable for you guys. Okay. Yeah. So by the time our data got loaded, oh, so we have this table. Okay, basically in Power, this is Power BI window, right? This is desktop application of Power BI. Okay, so definitely for new peoples, I will try to explain this. Power BI have three parts basically. One is desktop, and another is web service. Okay, my bad. It is a two. Okay, Power BI have two types, which is Power BI desktop and Power BI web services. Basically, development part get done here on desktop, and then we can publish it to web services. Then you can give that link of the dashboard to your users, and user will play around with it. Okay, so we are developer, so let's focus on Power BI desktop. In Power BI desktop, here we can create any visuals. Here we can see our data. Okay, what data we have. Okay, we can see and explore it in Power BI itself. No need of Excel or any other application if you are doing like. Okay, so let's say if you are using SQL data, okay, you can definitely connect SQL data. We have a lot of connections. Okay, if you start working with a company, you will get to explore all other like most of the connections. Okay, currently I'm using GCP connection, but yeah, before that I used to use SQL data server database also. Then definitely Excel we definitely start with. Then CSV also we can load the data from. Okay, we can see those one by one later, but currently we use this Excel workbook, and in that Excel workbook we got our this data loaded. Okay, okay, so if you are here, you must be aware basic understanding of of data. So what data is, what schema is, what how the tables get connected, relational databases get it connected with each others and all, what is primary key and all. Okay, you must be aware of it, but yeah, I will try to keep in much simpler words so that new people can also understand. Okay, so this is product ID. Okay, product ID is a foreign key or for this table, but this is product table. In product table, product key is primary key. Okay, so basically to connect product table and order details table, we will use product ID key. Okay, product ID as a key. But see how the model works. I mean, how it is connected. This is automated connection of Power BI. We can modify it what however we want. Let's see how product table is connected with product order details. Okay, if you click on that, Power BI is smart enough to identify which are the foreign keys and which are the primary key and connect them accordingly. Okay, in product table, definitely we have one row for one product. I mean, the unique ID, which is primary key, right? And there may be multiple transactions for this particular product. So for that, one to many. Okay, the in this fashion all of the tables are connected. You can see order details and order header is connected with order ID. Then you can see employee ID is there in order header. How the data flows beautifully, you can see, right? In employee, we have the territory. Okay, so in one territory we may have multiple like in one employee may be there in multiple territories. Okay, let's see. We have for employee there must be an office assigned. So this is the uh, because many one office can have many employees, right? This is the way it is working. Okay, let's try to simplify it by moving this like beautifully. And okay, let's simplify it. Let's keep this order header table as center, at center of a star. Let's just imagine this as a star. Okay, these are multiple hierarchies, so we can't make exact star schema, but definitely yeah, it can look like a star, right? Let's imagine this as a star. We are the stars. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so order header is the sort like very important table. Okay, which is connected to all other table, which is very important because see, it is connected to employee information, who did what sales. So we can show something like office by like sales by office, sales by territory, like that. Okay. Then we have order details. Then we have product, sales by products, sales by customers, like that. Okay, let's get our hands dirty with the data. I mean, with the visualizations. Okay, so this is, let's talk about overview. Let's overview it. What exactly the data is. Okay, what tools we have. So here are a lot of things. I will explain it one by one, a later in the process. Okay, but basically we have these three pins. I love these pins nowadays. Okay, so we have filter pen, we have visualization pen, and we have data pen. Moreover, we will be using these two pens. Okay, it's called as visualization pen, pen, and this is a data pen. Okay, let's work along with it. So here we can have a multiple options of charts. Okay, let's try to explore a quick thing. Let's get a chart, which is a bar chart. Okay, in Power BI language, it is a clustered bar chart. Uh, let's see what we get. Mm, we have products. Let's see what products are doing. And then we have cells. Whoa. This is the simplest simplest overview kind of thing uh, about taking the essence of data. Okay, basically, while taking the essence of data also, you can use the charts, and then you can design your dashboard accordingly. So wherever we are going to show some overview on products, let's see what are the top 10 products. Okay, so for top 10, what you will do is nothing rocket science. You can just click on the chart, just go ahead in filter pane, just try to look in top and function. Okay, just click on this top 10 we want to see, right? And buy cells. Just drag this and drop here. Okay, and apply filter. You will see these are the top 10 products. Oh, the product names are very much, fancy, don't you think? Okay, that's something fine. We will try to get used to these names also. I am not aware of this name. Oh, high heel shoes. Okay, something relatable. Snake boots. I heard that. Uh, Flash dress. Crocodile boots. Whoa, something I heard of. Now let's go ahead and turn on the data labels. So these are the, oh, this product made 0.41 million. Let's try to simplify the data label. We have, this is value, right? So simply we can go in the value and try to modify the, okay, 408K. Whoa. So this is the essence of data. So this product is performing very high. Let's see for let's see how our categories are doing. Okay, let's see category. Right. This is another chart which is trim. How our categories are doing. Category name. Then we have cells again. Order details. Cells. Wow. That's I love data labels. Let's see, because data is something what we are here for. Okay. Um, for them, yeah, we can see 630K. Ooh, sportswear. Let's okay. Just have a look what happens with this. Okay, just have a look on the products, and now if I click on sportswear, whoa, only one product. But if okay, just remind one by one things. Okay, this is another important and very very much interesting thing, that we can control the interaction between these two charts. Okay, so in format, okay, this home, okay, this is a home tab, and in format tab we have a edit interaction button. Okay, so if you are clicking on this chart, how this chart should behave: one is filter, okay, completely filter. Second is whatever we saw, that just we click and this will be like, we show this highlights. Okay, whatever is relatable, just highlight it and do nothing. Okay, if you're clicking anything, do nothing, just don't respond, don't interact. Okay, but if you filter, oh, can you see now? All products got changed, you know, all got changed for only and only and only sportswear. So these are the top 10 product in sportswear. Okay, so top first product in sportswear also doing 338K, which is good, which is good. Let's see men's footwear. Whoa, snack boots did third 93K. Whoa, then which then whoa, Fuji boots are not doing that well, but fine. Let's see children's wear, RDL suit, cool sunglasses. Cool. Yeah, 30, 13K. People's like children are buying cool sunglasses. Whoa. Let's okay. So this is the way we can get the essence of data. Now, what we can try to do is we can structure our dashboard very beautifully to 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 get some insight for the user. Let's see how we can do basically. And yeah, let's declare this as the end of this video. Uh, yeah, there is a lot to do. There is a lot to do in this dashboard. We have to design this dashboard. We have to structure this dashboard. The dashboard is going to be a multi-tab dashboard. We'll be showing the overview of products, customers, employees, and whatnot. But yeah, definitely, it will take time. It will take at least 4 or 5 episodes ahead. Let's see, let's explore together, let's stay connected. You also provide me your feedbacks in the comment, anything, a little thumbs up also, will give me a boost to make to complete this dashboard and share my journey to complete the dashboard with all of you guys. And yeah, uh, let's give this learning together, learning journey together. And yeah, let's try to connect. If you want, you can subscribe me so that any of other further videos will you will get the update for those. And yeah, I have an LinkedIn account which I can share in the description. If you want, you can connect me over there. We can discuss our problems, in the Power BI together. If possible, we can resolve it together. And yeah, we can keep our journey ahead, along side, right? Yeah, thank you for watching this video. And yeah, let's meet in